same run that Whitney came bounding out of in his tracker in front of a bunch of big-ass Jeeps.
Yeah, this run's actually pretty fun to start off with. What's going on with the convoy? Did everybody make it through that first part all right?
I just cleared it. Everyone else is on their way.
Sounds good.
I just got eyes on Tom, so.
Alright, cool.
I'm waiting up here on Stephanie.
She's good. 10-4.
Oh, there she is.
Let me know when the group's tight.
But she's trooping.
I got as far back as Raymond.
I'm at the tail and I can see him.
Boy, this is fun, isn't it?
I concur. It's a lot more challenging than Suzuya.
This is a real wheeling blade.
I have to agree with that.
Oh my god, these fucking Olympic tires are...
In advance for anybody who was not expecting this. Yeah, I'll leave you mine. Well, you know how to get a hold of me. You can yell at me on Facebook all day long.
Literally yell, he likes that kind of thing.
Where do I get a hold of you to thank you? Where's the rest of the convoy? Is everybody caught up?
Me and the Rubicon are bringing up the rear. Steady pace, I mean, we're good. We're good.
10-4, I'm rolling.
So what's this little trail on called here that we're on?
This trail here is the Easy Valley Connector. Brings us up to the top near Ron's Run.
I think this drops us off over by Ram Ridge, and then Ron is higher trail.
Last time I was up here, I crushed my horn somewhere around here.
everybody doing back there coming up that rock?
Good.
Good, Tom. Ray's next.
Sounds good. Ray may need a tug up with that because that is pretty steep, but we'll just have to wait and find out.
I have faith.
Nope.
My friend Raymond is the state champion.
Yeah, I was just watching that. Good job, Raymond. I seen that. That was good shit, bro.
Hey, thanks.
We start calling him instead of Ray, we just start calling him Rocky.
Right?
That was fun.
No problems from the big guy at the back.
I'm watching you back there creeping on me, guy.
Somebody's got to be out here representing for the big bitches.
Feel it.
I'm not the only TJ this time, so I can't make fun of you for being big now.
Watch out with the big ass rock in the road right there coming through that turn.
Copy.
Hold on, I'm gonna take that rock out. It frickin' hit everything.
Yeah, go ahead. I gotta spot the Yoda up this tight spot right here. Now you blocked my view.
How's it look, Raymond?
Looks fine. The boulder just moved off to the side now.
Yeah, we made sure to get that thing out of your guys' way. It frickin', I heard it at least tag my Jeep at least 2-3 times.
Much appreciated, big guy. Everything okay up there?
They're just trying to get the Yoda around the bend.
Just run it over. The Yoda, not the bend.
It's a Toyota. All he's got to do is hold it to the floor.
Right? I mean, sounds like a solid plan to me.
That's all I ever see him do.
Apparently somebody needs to have a talk with this young gentleman.
I'll send my Toyota driving co-pilot up there. He'll teach him what's up.
There you go.
His shit's at home broken.
Broken on purpose or broken because bad things happen?
Shit happens.
This is definitely.
They're gonna hack away a piece of branch on the wall.
Do they have an axe or a hatchet or something?
Yeah, Josh has his chainsaw and his hatchet.
Okay, we're good then.
Way to be prepared, Josh.
Now, I've got axe and hatchet and whatnot in here, but chainsaw didn't make the build today.
I have nothing. I think I got like a hammer.
I can start a fire with a hammer.
Yeah, we're definitely okay, guys. We can just camp here tonight.
I got dry wood to start off with.
Whoever was hoping for mud, you need to quit hoping so much.
Skid plates came in handy.
Sorry.
Back to the vehicle. Yeah. Yeah, hold on.
Back up. Right about there. Now give it a push. You're going to want to get into it pretty good.
I just had to get to the other side of the rock so I could just rest here.
You're not even coming close to your fucking tail line either.
Is it nap time?
For me?
Good job, Ray.
All right.
That was rough.
This is pretty cool.
Are you guys able to move up?
It seems to be doing okay
Josh was blocking the path.
so far.
Want me to back up 70?
It doesn't have a lot of flex. Right.
But it still seems to just keep on going.
Well, as long as I get some wheels on there, that's the biggest thing. Is and the we call it brake lock differentials kick in, and I threw on my lockers just to make sure I got over that tree stump roots over there. But I only use them when I need to. So yeah.
That was good.
Hey, I'm getting more impressed with this thing as I keep driving it.
Yeah,
so.
that was really
that
impressive.
was awesome. That was really
Yeah,
awesome.
I
That
threw on
part-
my lockers on that. So
Yeah, I was honestly worried because of your clearance, because I don't got very much clearance
Yeah.
and I struggle through there. So, but you made it through there clean. Probably because you got the lockers though.
yeah, rear lockers helps. So. Oh yeah.
You're stuck in the middle. We won't allow it.
Good job, Stephanie.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we can either come off the Easy Valley connector or we can stay left to stay on it.
Either one's fine with me. I just that I know me personally, I can't get any much more difficult than this.
Okay, so then do you guys want to stay on the Easy Valley connector for Ray for a little bit?
That's fine.
I'm down.
I mean, even over by Rams Run, there's log roads around it too, so Ray can easily go around it.
Yeah, either one's fine. Just if I have to take a bypass or detour, just let me know how to do it.
That's what we'll do.
Alright, so then do you guys just want to come off it and head up towards Ron's Run?
That sounds fine to me.
Alright, 10-4.
Up to Ray.